Let's read the story of the gift of the Magi. In a humble apartment lived Della and Jim, a young couple deeply in love but facing financial hardship. Christmas was approaching, but they had little money to buy each other gifts. Della had long, flowing hair that she cherished, while Jim owned a treasured pocket watch that had been passed down through his family. Della pondered what gift she could give Jim. With only $1.87 to spare, she wanted to offer something meaningful and worthy of her beloved husband. In a moment of inspiration, she decided to sell her most prized possession, her beautiful hair, to buy a present for Jim. With determination, Della visited a hair salon and sold her locks to a wig maker, earning $20. With the money in hand, she rushed to buy a chain for Jim's cherished pocket watch, a watch that he no longer had a chain for. Meanwhile, Jim faced a similar predicament. He wished to buy something special for Della but had little money. He treasured her beautiful hair and wanted to give her something that she'd adore. With resolve, he sold his beloved watch to a jeweler, receiving $20 in return. On Christmas Eve, both Della and Jim held their precious gifts, unaware of the sacrifice the other had made. Della eagerly awaited Jim's return, anxious to present him with the chain for his watch. Jim arrived home, equally eager to give Della the set of beautiful combs he had purchased for her hair. Their joy turned to surprise and heartache as they realized the extent of each other's sacrifices. Della revealed her shorn locks, and Jim showed her the watch chain he could no longer use. Both gifts were rendered useless by the sacrifices they had made. Amidst the initial shock, Della and Jim embraced, understanding the depth of their love and selflessness. They realized that despite their lack of material possessions, their love for each other was the greatest gift of all. In a touching display of unconditional love and understanding, they smiled through their tears, recognizing the true essence of giving. They knew that their sacrifices, though seemingly in vain, symbolized the depth of their affection and devotion to one another. Their modest dwelling transformed into a place filled with warmth and love, as they embraced the joy of being together and celebrated the spirit of Christmas in its purest form, unconditional love and selflessness. Della and Jim's story became a timeless tale of love and sacrifice, resonating with people far and wide. Their example taught the world the profound meaning of genuine giving, where the value lies not in the material worth of the gift but in the depth of love and sacrifice behind it. Their Christmas became a cherished memory, a moment in time when two loving souls discovered the true essence of happiness, a treasure far greater than any possession or wealth, a love that transcended material things and illuminated the beauty of selflessness and devotion. The end. Please subscribe to the Teddy Bear Storytime YouTube channel and select to receive all notification. Thank you.